Ooh, this is definitely not a day look. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I'm Mia. Follow me my journey into becoming my best self in style. I'll probably screw up a lot, just a fair warning. And support my channel by clicking subscribe up there. And let's get to the video. This video is different from my last video, obviously. If you haven't seen that video, link in the description below. But basically, I'm just gonna take you through my day. It's more of a treat yourself kind of Valentine's video. I'm sure a lot of single peeps out there can relate to this. I'm gonna take you out today because it's so beautiful outside. I'm gonna show you my Valentine's outfit and we will reorganize my room to make it romantic for myself. And we're gonna go Peonies shopping. Oops, that didn't sound good. At the best place to flower shop in San Francisco. So stay tuned, guys.
I know they like this. Everyday party until the end of the summer. I probably have my feet up with a drink smoke. We with all my brothers, don't worry about the thing, I got it covered. Laced up, looking like a good day to go and get this cake up. Can only play around for a minute or two. Sit and wait, watch the moon, blow it up like balloons. What it is, cracking jokes on each other, what gives? Don't be falling through, I know you think about giving in. I got the trees blowing in the wind with the clouds blowing over sunny days. Where you been? No one
Hey guys, welcome to San Francisco. Welcome. So this is the city. We're in the city right now in Financial District. And I'm currently waiting for the bus, the muni bus, because I'm cheap like that. And we're gonna head towards the Flowermart to get some flowers. And I'll catch you guys later. Yeah, so we're walking towards the Flowermart. I'm really excited. It's my first time. Really excited to get Peonies for Valentine's Day. Oh my god. Sorry for the music. But it's sunny today. It's beautiful. I just love it. I love California when it's like this. Especially San Francisco. I mean, I love San Francisco when it's like this sunny. Love those palm trees. Kind of gives you that LA vibe. Hi guys. Sorry for this shadow here. But we are at Flowermart. I don't know, I expected kind of a little bit of a kind of Cool Foods vibe, but I don't think we're getting that. This is more of a warehouse for flowers, which is fine because, you know, like we're here to get like cheap flowers. The guy told me that peonies are like off season this month. You'll expect like a smaller type of peonies during this month because it's not in season. So we're gonna pick out peonies that will bloom on Valentine's Day. So I think we're done here, guys. Yeah, I got the peonies here for $50. I'm super excited for it to bloom. And yeah, we have flowers for Valentine's now. I bought myself some flowers, which I always do. I'm excited for these peonies because this is like my favorite flower. One of my friends, she used to have like peonies all the time at her place. And I've always loved it and adored it because it's like very feminine and fresh and it's just nice to look at and very classy. So yeah. I think a pretty good price. I got it all for like $40, which is really cheap. And the people at Flowermart were all really so kind and helpful. I love them. They're amazing people. So I highly recommend to go to Flowermart to buy flowers. Yeah. Anyways, so I think I haven't fully decided where I'm gonna place this. Hi guys. So what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna start to clean up, and I'm gonna change my sheets into this textured duvet set, and we're gonna remove all of our winter stuff like this Sherpa blanket because it's getting closer to December. So that's what we're gonna do. No one left to talk to, I really had a last for you. Let you decide, let me know what you wanna do. Whenever call me, walk my ass to class, I watch you leave it so calmly. Tell me how it is, I think your honesty got me. Possibly find ways to entertain myself, I still thinking you constantly. What you thinking? Floating down, I bet they couldn't sing it. Look at that, guys. Starting to bloom. There's a certain type of mystic in the air when you Yay. Early mornings just my tea and honey. Can call you up, it won't make. I also looked up that the warmer your room is, the faster the flowers are gonna bloom. So if you want them to bloom later, put them in a cooler place. And if you want them to bloom earlier, you have to put them in a fairly warm place. So I have an idea. So I think it will elevate the flowers if we add in some books here. Let's see. And then let's put the flowers over here. Cute! I love it. And I remove the other flowers. Let us see where the other flowers could be, potentially be. But yeah. And these books are from this, the lower one is Nasty Galaxy by Sophia Amoruso, and the other one is Keep It Simple by my favorite designer, Harmut Esslinger. And yeah, it did elevate. Look at that, you guys. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, so both of these guys, I think you can buy at Amazon. I borrowed this in the office and I haven't read it yet, but for this video, it's gonna be there for now. But yeah, I'm so happy. Excited for the rest of the stuff to be done. I got the trees blowing in the wind with the clouds blowing over sunny days. Where you been? No one left to talk to, I really had a last for you. Let you decide, let me know what you wanna do. Whenever call me, walk my ass to class, I watch you leave it so calmly. Tell me how it is, I think your honesty got me. Possibly find ways to entertain myself. Starting to come together. Got 3 peonies here. The moment I wake up, it's a reminder of I love me. Those 3 flowers are I love me. And yeah, I'm gonna take you guys to the tour. There's a basket here that I bought at a thrift shop. Over there, here, all of my scents, broom scents. Decor there. The whole bed sheet, the textured bed sheet that I was telling you guys about. And then I put my fur blanket here, and I bought that at Worldmart, Cost Plus. And then this one's Target. And these are the books, as you can see here. I added like a couple more books, design books. And then, yeah, that's like my whiteboard, don't mind that. And then, yeah, this sorted for that, just blocking the view. But basically, that's the view. And then, yeah, so there we go. This is the whole room, and then I don't think I took the rest of this view of it. There we go. Happy Valentine's to me, yay! The biggest gift that I could give to myself is to really relax into a really clean room. Thanks for sticking around, you guys. So if you like this video, click subscribe and follow me on Instagram at feelgoodmia, link in the description below to see behind the scenes content, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. And let me know if you like this video or not in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think about this. Yeah.
No one left to talk to, I really had a last for you. Let you decide, let me know what you wanna do. Whenever call me, walk my ass to class, I thought you leave it so